This style of mask that we're going to be making today is a double-sided mask. Kind of hard to see because it is in black. So right now it's just adding the channels to the mask, and this is what we're going to use to go ahead and thread our elastic through. So you should have something like this when you're all done cutting your design out. Popped it out real clean. So this is our one side of our mask. If you guys would like to purchase this file, it can be purchased on my website, neverdenyme.com. All my information is going to be in the description. And this is what it looks like at the moment. As you guys can see, we have both pieces. But now all you have to do is flip it the other way around. Nice little crease. And push it through. But this is what it will be looking like, guys. So if you guys found this video helpful, do make sure you hit the thumbs up button before you get up out of here. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.